Did you know that what you drink first thing in the morning can significantly impact your blood sugar levels throughout the day? Managing diabetes can be challenging, but choosing the right morning beverage can set a positive tone for the hours ahead. Today, we're diving into 10 of the best morning drinks for people with diabetes. These beverages not only help manage blood sugar, but also offer a variety of health benefits. Make sure to stay with us until the end, as we've got a special blood sugar product to help you on your diabetes management journey. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable insights. Kicking off our list is lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm water infused with fresh lemon juice can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you're managing diabetes. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in diabetic complications. Lemons also contain flavonoids, compounds that help control blood sugar levels. Drinking lemon water before meals can lead to a significant reduction in post-meal blood sugar spikes by altering the pH of your digestive system, which slows down carbohydrate digestion. To protect your teeth from the acidity, try drinking it through a straw. Rinse your mouth with water afterward, and wait about 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. Next on the list is black coffee, a morning favorite for many. When consumed without added sugar or cream, black coffee can be a powerful tool in managing diabetes. Coffee is loaded with antioxidants which helps improve glucose metabolism and reduces blood sugar spikes after meals. Additionally, coffee contains magnesium, a mineral that enhances insulin sensitivity, crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. However, moderation is key. While 3 to 4 cups a day might be beneficial for some, it's important to listen to your body and monitor how it reacts to caffeine. Our third choice is Chia Seed Water, a drink that's gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. Chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. When you soak chia seeds in water, they form a gel-like substance that can create a barrier in your stomach, leading to a more gradual release of sugar into your bloodstream. Chia seeds are also rich in magnesium and calcium, essential minerals for bone health and insulin function. Starting your day with chia seed water can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to snack and aiding in weight management, an important factor in controlling diabetes. Coming in at number 4 is apple cider vinegar mixed with water. This tangy drink has been used for centuries for its health benefits, and it's particularly useful for managing diabetes. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps lower blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion of starches, leading to a more controlled release of sugar into the bloodstream. Studies have shown that drinking apple cider vinegar in the morning can significantly reduce post-meal blood sugar levels. To make it more palatable, try adding a bit of natural sweetener or lemon juice. Just be sure to dilute it properly and rinse your mouth afterward to protect your teeth from the vinegar's acidity. Number 5 on our list is green tea, a drink renowned for its many health benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of green tea has been shown to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and help those already managing the condition. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness, making it an excellent choice for starting your day with a clear and focused mind. While green tea is beneficial, it does contain caffeine, so it's best to limit yourself to 1 to 2 cups in the morning. Next up is cinnamon tea, a flavorful and aromatic beverage that can help regulate blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern research supports its role in diabetes management. Cinnamon contains compounds that improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it an excellent addition to your morning routine. To make cinnamon tea, simply steep a cinnamon stick or ground cinnamon in hot water. You can enjoy it on its own or add a splash of almond milk for a creamy texture. Just be sure to choose Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, as it has lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large quantities. Ginger tea is another fantastic morning drink for those managing diabetes. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar control. It's also great for digestion, and can help alleviate any morning nausea or discomfort. To make ginger tea, simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for a few minutes. You can add a bit of lemon or honey if you like, but be mindful of the added sugars. Ginger tea is a warming and soothing option that can kickstart your day on a healthy note. Aloe vera juice might not be the first drink that comes to mind, but it's incredibly beneficial for people with diabetes. Aloe vera is known for its healing properties, but it also helps lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. It's also great for hydration and digestion. When choosing aloe vera juice, make sure to select a product that is free from added sugars. You can drink it on its own or mix it with water or a small amount of fruit juice to improve the taste. Aloe vera juice is a hydrating powerhouse that can support your overall health and diabetes management. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is a warm and comforting drink that can do wonders for your blood sugar levels. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for people with diabetes. To make turmeric milk, heat a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and a touch of cinnamon or ginger for added flavor. Enjoy this golden elixir as part of your morning routine to start your day off right. Last but not least, herbal infusions such as chamomile, peppermint, or hibiscus tea can be a great way to start your day. These caffeine-free teas are not only soothing, but also packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can help manage blood sugar levels. Chamomile tea, for example, has been shown to improve glycemic control and reduce complications associated with diabetes. Peppermint tea can aid in digestion and reduce stress, while hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants and may help lower blood pressure. Herbal infusions are a calming and beneficial choice for anyone looking to manage diabetes and enjoy a peaceful morning. And there you have it, 10 amazing morning drinks that can help you manage your diabetes and improve your overall health. From the refreshing taste of lemon water to the comforting warmth of turmeric milk, these beverages offer a variety of benefits that go beyond just blood sugar control. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy life with diabetes. Don't forget to check the description box below for the #1 blood sugar formula that has helped thousands safely assist their blood sugar and drop pounds quickly, easily, and from home. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite morning drink? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier start to your day.